Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a couple weeks since I filmed a video, so it was definitely time for me to sit down and film something new for you guys. So NYX Professional Makeup just came out with a new collection. It's their Vinyl Club collection, and it's all this like grungy, glossy, rocker vibes, and I love it. It's very different from your typical like spring look, and it's tied with Coachella and festival season. So this year the trends are definitely more grungy rocker vibes. NYX came out with a couple new products that I've been playing with a lot lately, and one of my favorites are these glosses. So these are the Strictly Vinyl lip glosses. They are super high shine, they are super pigmented, they are a thicker gloss, but they feel amazing on the lips, and look at this pigmentation. The gloss is everything. And other products that they came out with, the Strictly Vinyl Eyeliner, so it's going to be kind of a glossy liquid liner. And something else that I played with in this tutorial was the Glazed and Confused. This is an eye gloss, and I played with the black one. I think black is probably the scariest one, so I wanted to show you guys how you can actually use this and make it very grungy. You can make it very glam, or very like going for a casual look, or a night out. There's so many different ways you can use this eye gloss, so if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to switch things up and start off with the complexion. So I'm going to use the Total Control Drop Primer, which is a new favorite of mine. It's very lightweight and it dries down to a soft kind of matte finish, and it's going to make your foundation last longer. I am mixing two of the Total Control Drop foundations. One color is in medium olive and the other one is in beige. I like this foundation because it's a liquidy formula, sheer to full coverage, and it gives you a nice natural matte finish. Next, I'm going to brighten underneath my eye area with a little concealer and then blend it out with a beauty blender. Next, I'm using the NYX No Filter Finishing Powder. I have hit pan because I use this stuff so much. I use the color medium olive, and I love the natural kind of satin matte finish it gives. And to set underneath my eye area, I'm taking the HD Finishing Powder in the color Banana. This will keep the area nice and bright and prevent the concealer from creasing. This is one of my favorite complexion duos from NYX, and I'm using the bronzer side and apply this to my temples, the hollows of my cheeks, and underneath my jaw, just to give more of a golden glow to my complexion. This is the NYX Single Contour Powder in the color Sculpt, and I'm just using this right in the hollows of my cheeks. Then I'm going to go back in with the HD Finishing Powder in Banana just to clean up those edges. This is one of my favorite highlighters from NYX, and this is the new Born to Glow Single. I'm just applying this to the highest points of my cheeks and also on my Cupid's bow. This is one of my go-to brow products from NYX. It's the Precision Brow Pencil. I use the color Espresso, and I love how I am able to fill in my brows quickly, make them nice and defined, and it's just a perfect brow pencil. Now I'm just moving on to the eyes, and I'm using an eye primer to prevent any creasing and prep the lids before shadow. From this eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the Bone Off-White color, and I'm just going to apply this underneath my brow for a matte highlight. Now I'm taking this matte warm brown, which is obviously one of my most used colors in this palette, and I'm just using this in my crease as a transition color. To warm up my crease, I'm going to take this reddish warm brown and apply this with an angled eyeshadow brush right in my crease. I'm using that same color underneath my lower lashes, and I'm just sweeping it all the way underneath and to the outer corners, and I'm just blending it out with an eyeshadow blending brush. I'm using this metallic eye pencil from NYX. It's one of my favorite formulas, and this is a kind of sparkly metallic black. I'm just going to put this in my waterline and also my top lash line, and this is going to help smoke out the look. Now I'm just smudging this out with my finger, and it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to apply some black on top of that. I'm going back into my crease with this dark brown matte shade just to add more definition to my crease. This is the Glazed and Confused Eye Gloss, which will give my lids a glossy finish, and because it is a cream gloss finish, it will crease throughout the day, so it's not going to be a long wearing product, just FYI. But I'm just going to keep this gloss underneath my crease and then blend out with a fluffy eyeshadow brush slowly to the height that I want it. And I'm also going to smudge this underneath my lower lashes for a smoked out grungy look. Now I'm going to coat my lashes with the Worth the Hype mascara. This is a lengthening and volumizing mascara, one of my favorite mascaras from NYX Cosmetics. Last but not least, I'm going to finish off the eyes with a pair of falsies. These are from Time Los Angeles in the style Extra. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to use the NYX Slide On Glide On Lip Pencil. I'm using a color that's going to be darker than the gloss that I'm going to put on top of it, and I'm just using this to outline and define my lips.
Don't be scared, just trust me, take my hand.
Last but not least, I'm going to use the NYX Cosmetics Strictly Vinyl Lipstick in Bad Girl. This is such a beautiful, rich, deep red, and I just love the look of this glossy, smoky eye with this bold red lip. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this very grungy, dramatic look. I wanted to do a bold eye with a bold lip and use a lot of products from this collection. It's a very dramatic look, and I'll make another note like I did earlier. These eyeglosses aren't going to be like an 8-hour wear product. They are going to crease, but that's kind of this grungy look that they are made for. So if you're going for that kind of grungy vibe, these are perfect, and they are so trendy. I love them. So if you want to see me do more looks using products from this collection, let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.